Haven't been on a motorcycle for a while, but we're having lots of fun. We just got off a 7-hour bus ride from Mua. It should have been a 9-hour drive, so we got here early. We got here at 4:30, it's now 5, but in a half hour we're not going to go to sleep. Half hour we're going to try to take a motorcycle to the Dragon Bridge and hike up those 500 stairs. So stay with us. Okay guys, so we are heading up to the Dragon Pagoda. It's about 3 kilometers from here, and we're gonna take this motorcycle we just rented up there, and then we got 500 steps straight up to go to this pagoda, Dragon Pagoda. So let's check it out. It's so nice to be on a motorcycle instead of being in a taxi all the time.
Yeah.
We love it. And NINH BINH's, you know, we came in late last night, but it's turning out to be, now that it's day, we see it's really a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Lots of tourists here, lots of tourists here. Okay guys, see, we are here now. So here we are at Mua. We're walking through. It's 100,000 for each person to get in, which is about $4. And we're going to the ticket booth. Hello. Okay, thank you. So it's interesting when you're walking in, there's like it's this nice garden, a shop, and you can actually stay here. We didn't know that. So you excited about doing this?
No.
Anne's not up for it. It's 500 steps. We're about to embark on it, but I'm just going to show you the walk to the steps is also very beautiful. There's a little hotel here. There's some places to restaurants and streams. So I'm going to show you that as we walk up to the entrance of the steps. So let's move forward. We are about to start. It's about 500 steps up. You can see it's quite a climb, and I think the climb down is even harder on the knees. So let's begin, and we'll give you updates as we progress. You ready, Dawn?
No. I might not recover from the cave yesterday.
I keep on promising her that the view at the top's worth it. So, you ready, Dawn?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go anyways, whether she's ready or not. So let's begin.
Go ahead, you go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I did the first 40 steps, another 460 to go. Here comes Anne. We'll just go slow. We'll just go slow.
You can go ahead.
And see this thing? Here's a Nara right here. Nara, right? Nara or Naga?
Naga.
Naga. So most temples, and especially Buddhist temples in Asia, you'll find a Naga. A Naga, which is this dragon here that protects the temple from evil spirits and gives good luck. Okay guys, we're almost halfway up, and look at the view already. So beautiful. Look at the mountains. Some of those mountains have caves in them. I don't know if you can see them. There's a big cave right there in front of us on the end of that, on the edge of that cliff. You can look into the city. And we're about halfway. Ooh, Anne's ahead of me. I better catch up with her. First time Anne's been ahead of me. Is he doing okay? We're almost halfway up. Okay. All right, we'll see you at the top, right? You okay? I'm almost at the top, waiting for Anne down there. I go up 50 steps and wait for Anne and go up another 50 steps. But from up here, we're not at the top yet, but the view is incredible. There's a pagoda over there, which we'll get to eventually. Look at the view in the city. So breathtaking views, and we're not even at the top yet. I'm still waiting for Anne. She's taking a water break down there. Anne, say hi. The look of Gar, I hate you for making me walk up here. But I know when she gets to the top, she's gonna be happy. So a few more steps, we'll be up there. See you at the top. So we're at the top, and the first level you will see what they call Lady Buddha. And Anne has been up here saying a prayer. And behind her you can see the dragon. We're gonna go up there next. Can you make it up there to see the dragon? Okay.
I can't talk. Run out of the air.
Unfortunately, it's a lot more crowded here than we were hoping, but we're going to try to get up to the dragon and get some good shot. Let's go up there. Okay, we're at the top. You can see the dragon behind us. It's really jagged up here. The rocks are very jagged, but the view up here is breathtaking. It's incredible. She made all 500 steps. I'm so proud of her.
I'm sitting on the rock, digging to my butt.
Yeah, up here we're sitting on. Show them what we're sitting on. Look what we're sitting on. This is all jagged rocks up here. There's a dragon. All jagged rocks up here, so it's a little hard on the buns. But it's good because a lot of people don't come up here and the crowd's thin up here. Go down slowly. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. You wanna take this with you, the GoPro?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, I made it back from scaling the dragon.
Did you guys see how crazy he is? Go in the tail without holding anything.
It was a lot of fun. It's actually, for the first time, I understand why people like mountain climbing.
I'm
the
about
thrill,
to scream.
No, but when you're looking for an angle for your foot and for your hand, it really is challenging. I can see why it's kind of addicting. I'm not going to get into it again, but it was fun for this one climb. But anyways, we're back down at the dragon level, and I guess we're going to start down. All right?
Yeah.
So go survive.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Anne's always hungry.
Now we're gonna get into the boat and go into the river.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock, so we get better hurry because it's an hour-and-a-half boat ride.
Okay. So we have to pick up one of these to wear it. Whoa. We'll go that way. Ooh. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so this boat ride is about an hour and a half. and we will be going down the main river in town. I'm not really sure what it's called. It'll take us through town first, and then we get kind of out in the rice paddy area, which is what I'm looking forward to. You really get to see how the people live, how they farm, and also it will take us all the way to viewing the place we were at this morning. So we'll be able to look up in the air and see that dragon. So stay with us, it's going to be fun.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Look at this.
Yeah. So it's just so pretty. Like right now we're in town. It's very pretty. But the good thing is most people are coming back. So when we get out there, it should be really quiet. Because it's after 4. This is kind of a late boat ride, but that's why we did it, to come after the crowd.
Look at him, so chill doing the leg. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Look at this guy doing one at a time.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay guys, so here we are out on the Ngozan River, and you can see it's so gorgeous. You see the mountains surrounding. And in a way we're fortunate because we're coming out at about 4 p.m. so everyone else is coming back in. You can see all the boats coming in. And he told us we're going to get out in more of nature. We're going by an old Chinese cemetery, which I'll show you in a second. And then after that we're going to be out in the rice paddies, and you can actually see people working out in the rice paddies. I hope it's forward, maybe they've gone in, but it's supposed to be very pretty scenery, and it already is very pretty scenery. Here's the front. No thank you. Oh, no thank you. Here's a Chinese cemetery over here. So we're going to be out here for about an hour and a half and just enjoying the views. It's so relaxing. The views are just gorgeous. We're here in NINH BINH, and we're only 2 hours south of Hanoi. So tomorrow we're going to be up in Hanoi. We're taking a bus up there later in the afternoon. But for now, just enjoying the countryside. It's so beautiful. Enjoying yourself, darling?
Yeah.
And personally, I love the way the guy rows.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
And here's a cool fact. In 2016, the movie Kong, Skull Island, was filmed in this area of NINH BINH.
The limit of love is endless.
Cloudy day, so no risk of sunburn, but it's nice. The weather's almost perfect, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just perfect.
A bit chill.
Okay, she's chilly, I'm not. This is the part of the ride I love because we're out now, out of town, and look at these rice paddies here. I know during the day you can watch people spreading rice around the rice paddies, and we're outside town now, and actually look where we're heading. We're heading for a cave, my God. This is what it's all about, man. Look at these. Great view.
Dark inside.
We're going inside a cave.
Do you need a light?
It looks like it's pretty low, so we might have to duck. I'm not sure.
Oh.
We go deep inside or just a little? We go inside? Go inside, huh? There's a light in there. Wow, look at this cave we're going into. A little like the cave inside Mua.
Phong Nha.
Cool.
อ้ำกลัว
It's getting dark. There's just some like lights on the side. Oh, it's so cool.
Let's see up there.
Makes you wonder what kind of animals swim around in this water. Oh, we're going all the way through. Look at this.
Oh, it's true.
Cool. The ceiling is like maybe 1 foot over our head.
Yeah, look. Ah.
Now we're really outside the city. We're really outside the city now.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is rice?
Yeah, these are rice fields.
Rice.
Wow, we just came out of our second cave and look at this mass of rock in front of us. It's incredible.
And then we're about to go to another cave, the third one.
Oh yeah, there's a third cave coming. But look at this rock in front of us. All this rock, massive.
Beautiful.
We're surrounded by these massive limestone mountains.
Hôm nay bọn đi mưa rồi. Báo rồi.
I think this is the end.
Trying to touch the top. Oh, just inches from the top. It's amazing that this cave in we crushed immediately.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh no. Now I think we do U-turn here.
Yeah, so we've been going about 45 minutes in one direction. Now in this area I think we're going to do a U-turn. Or maybe,
I think
and
we
then
do
we go
U-turn.
back.
Yeah, we're gonna
To
do.
the same
He
gorgeous
turned
caves.
now. Here we go.
Can we?
Huh? Yeah. We're heading back now. We're going to enjoy the view, guys.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want to show you everything again, but we're just going to kick back and enjoy it a second time around. Why not? Look right there.
So on the way here and on the way back, totally different view.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, we get to see everything in reverse, right?
yeah.
We get to start with nature and go back into the city.
Mm.